One new Terrier 22 by 85 gap bed lathe, made in Taiwan, weighing 5,500 pounds. Featuring 10 horsepower main motor, 12 speeds from 25 to 1500 RPM, complete with foot brake. Three-inch spindle bore, D18 camlock spindle, spindle supported by 3-point super precision bearings, inching button, comprehensive feed and threading capabilities including inch and metric threading. One-piece meonite casting, hardened and ground bedways with turkite under saddle, 5 Morse taper tailstock spindle, 2-speed tailstock, complete with coolant system, full-length splash guard, chuck guard, thread chasing dial, steady and follower rest, halogen light, 40 position quick change tool post, Sino 2-axis digital readout, 12-inch strong super precision 3-jaw chuck, 16-inch 4-jaw chuck, jacking screws and pads.